Hello guys, so I'm back from Thailand and I did quite a lot of shopping there. So let's do a little haul of everything I got from Thailand. So let's start with Bangkok. First day we went to December's. So let me show you guys everything I got from December. First up is this brown shorts which has cute cherry detailing and also lace detailing on both the sides. And just look at how cute and comfy this looks. And this one was for 150 baht, I think. Next up is this Korean pants. This one was for 200 baht, I guess. This one is in the color dark brown shade. So yeah, this is another thing that I got from there. So next up is such a cute skirt that I got, and it gives Pinteresty vibes. This white skirt that I got has cute bow detailing. Just look at how cute this is. My sister got it in black color. Let me show it to you guys. So this is the black color one. So this is what she got. It also has cute bow detailings on them. So moving on, let me show you guys what my mom got. My mom got this dress cord set kind of thing. It's a grey long dress that comes with the cover up as well. Let me show it to you guys. So this is the cover up that comes with the dress, and I'm guessing this one was for 300. So yeah, mint green shirt with this cute bow detailing on the pockets, and the color is so pretty. This one was for 150 or 200. Last thing that she got was green striped shirt, which has this nice texture to it. I think this one was for 150 baht. That's everything that we got from December. Outside Platinum Mall, there was this cute store which was selling phone cases and pop sockets. My sister got this cute Labubu pop socket from there. This one was for, I'm guessing, 80 or 100 baht. So now let's move on to what all I got from Tofu Skincare. So the first thing that I got from Tofu Skincare was this toner. Yeah, this is a sweet orange toner for moisturizing and brightening. So the next thing is this scorpion oil. My mom got because she has joint pain. So yeah. And then I got this eyeliner. This one was for 99 baht, I'm guessing. Then I got this mini travel eyelash curler from there. This one was for 99 baht, I'm guessing. Yeah. Next thing I got is this lip and cheek thing. This one was for 129. Let me show you guys everything that we got from Sempeng Market. And yeah, and we did quite a lot of shopping there. So let me show you guys. First is this Labubu doll. So this is one of the characters from Pop Mart, and this is a mystery box. So you don't know which one you'll get among these colors, and each of them have different character names. And she got this mint green color keychain. So she wanted this from quite some time, and we finally got this in Sempeng Market. One was for 150 baht. So next up we went to this phone case store, and then we got quite a few phone accessories. So first off we have these two phone cases. I have these, and we have these two. So I got these phone charms from there. Just look at how cute these are. My sister got this Apple Watch band. And then we both got the SpongeBob AirPod cases. We both love SpongeBob. So that lady gave us this free clip because we got so many things. And this clip is so cute. So moving on, we have some cute bag keychains that we got. Capybara keychain, and this is one of the most cutest thing that I saw over there. And let me show you guys. Just look at this. So my mom loves pigs, so she got this two cute pig keychains. Just look at how adorable these are. Next thing that we got is this cute phone charms. This one is also Labubu phone charms. Let me show you guys how cute and adorable these are. So this is the first one. Let me show you guys. Look at how cute this is. Oh, so other one is a blue color one. So yeah, here it is. Just look at how cute these are. So each of these were for 15 baht, I'm guessing. Yeah. So from the same store, my sister got this cards pack. of Thai BL actors. My sister watches a lot of Thai BL drama, so she got these. Up, I got these press-on nails. Each one was for 25 baht. Got it in 3 different designs. Let me show you guys. First one is this, and then we have this one. So next we went to some accessory shop. So first up is this one, and then this one, and then we got this cute red chain, and then this white one. And this store had so many cute accessories. We have this red one and white one again. We got quite a few stuff from here, as I told you guys. Then we have this, then this one in blue, and we got 3 bracelets from there. The thing that I got is this floral hair clips. This is that Pinteresty trending ones, and this one was for 100 baht. They gave 12 pieces. Sister got this bag for 150 baht. This is a crossbody bag. So this is how it is. It has 2 side pouches also. One is this bag. This is also a crossbody bag. I think this, and I was not there while my mom got this, so I don't remember how much this is. But yeah, this is. So next I got this tote bag which has gentlewoman written on it. And at the same shop I got 3 other bags. Let me show you guys. This one was a steal because I got 3 bags for 180 baht. This one in black color, grey color, and lastly white color. And just look at how cute all of these. So that's everything I got from Semping Market. Let's move on to next day. We went to GMM building. We got a few stuff from there. As I told you guys that my sister loves watching Thai BL drama. So we went to GMM building. We went to the 30th floor where they have all these merch. This is what my sister got. She got Force and Book, and then Gemini and Force. It was for 150 each. So yeah. And then there's also a cafe over there. Give you these tags if you buy some drinks from there. So she got these 2, and she also got this, which is the same cow tongue, I guess. And then she got, these were the things that we got from GMM building. So let's move on to Siam Square, and our first stop over there was Even Boy. So those of you who don't know, Even Boy is like Sephora over there. So let me show you guys everything that I got from there. First thing that I got from there is this cotton pad, and I don't remember the price for each of these products. But yeah, this is the cotton pad. Next up is this eyeliner pen that I got from there. So next up we have lip products that I got from there. So let me quickly show it to you guys. First one is this jelly tint that I got from there. This one is from a very famous brand in Thailand called For You Too. So yeah, this one. Next we have this SPF lip balm. So next is this Gentle Matte Collagen lipstick. And then lastly is this shiny tint. Next I got this blush from Gala Camille. So next I got this makeup setting spray. Yeah. And then I wanted this from a long time. This is from a Thai owned brand. This is a translucent powder. So I had seen so many makeup videos from Thai beauty bloggers and all, and this product is one thing that everyone uses over there. So I wanted to get my hands on it, and I finally got this. So next up is this serum. It's from a brand called Snail White, and this brand is also very popular in Thailand. So this cute lip tint. This one is a lip and cheek tint, whereas this is a cute lipstick. Guessing this one was for 20. Let's do a little 7-Eleven haul. Got this eyelash curler from there. And then I got these 2 hair vitamins. This one is Keratin Shine, and this one is Intense Repair one. Next we also got this keratin hair mask from there. This one is from Tokyo and Hair. So yeah. So let's move on to some other things that we got from Siam. Next, we got these 2 t-shirts. I don't want to open them. Next, we went to this shop called Hello Everyday, and it's a Korean merch shop. And my sister loves 17 band. Got this phone charm of Scoops. He's the 17 liter. So this one was for 79 baht. Yeah, and this is how we went to ASAP over there and got the shorts. It has this beachy vibes. And this one was for 250 baht. And last thing that we got is this keychain from a gacha machine from Siam Paragon, I'm guessing. This one was for 150 baht. So that's everything we got from Siam Center. And this ends the Bangkok. We got a few bags, so let me show you guys. It's these two bags. We got both of them at the same shop. So we got these for 550 baht. And we also got these two cute elephant keychains from there. Each one was for 50 baht, I guess. And then also a fridge magnet of, okay. So next, my sister got these elephant shorts. Like, how can you go to Thailand and not get their iconic elephant shorts or pants? So yeah, this one was for 150 baht. We got these two inhalers, and these two are very popular in Thailand, and Thailand is known for inhalers. Like, you can see everyone using them. This one was for 150 each. Have these herbs inside and they smell amazing. Lastly, let's move on to food items. So we got this coconut, dried crispy coconut chips kind of stuff. Then we got this dried mango chips, and these are very popular in Thailand. You need to get them if you go there. So we got this in pack of 6. So yeah, this is soft dried mango. And then we got this box of mixed fruits from there. Then we also got this dried durian cubes. And if you're traveling to any Southeast Asian countries, you're not allowed to carry the raw fruit form of durian anywhere outside that country. It's not allowed on any public transport or hotels also, because they have this strong smell and it stinks a lot. So you can't carry it anywhere. So you have to carry it in the form of dried durian. So we got this durian cubes. We've come to an end of Thailand haul and hope you guys enjoyed this. See you guys next time.